Very impressive.
Here comes your heartbeat. I did not realize that things have gone bad between you and her. Yeah? No, you know. Hi!
Omalicha, I'm talking to you. What is it? How did this fight start between you? Please, I am not caught out for any question now. I am not ready for it. I need to know. Why are you pretending? You've always wanted me to stop talking to him. Now I have stopped. Why are you pretending to be surprised all of a sudden? We're only concerned that you still within my custody, right? Hey! Good luck to you all then. We don't even get to talk again. Don't meet anymore. Rejoice.
No wonder she has been very bitter lately. I think she truly loves him.
Omalicha!
What is that? Yeah? What do you mean, what am I telling you now?
Obviously, you don't understand what Omalicha means to me. Because if you did, you wouldn't have kept that message to yourself. You just told me what she said because we saw her.
It does not make any difference. Yeah? The most important thing is that I have told you already.
Well, I do not see any difference in it. Like you said, she kept away from me since she broke up. So coming to tell you that she still loves me, that is nonsense. Who does that?
OKOLI said, listen, I don't see why you should blame her for that. You understand? As a matter of fact, she tried.
Then she gave up.
No maiden could ever withstand the humiliation she went through.
Then she gave up, making nonsense of all the initial resistance. You know what? It's fine. I do not blame her for anything.
Because so the fact that she loves you. Are you planning to go after her? That is a woman close to the mother's spirit. She is not a lady.
You're a fool.
I'm so happy to see you. Same. How old is you? Same here. How are your parents?
They are dead.
I'm touched. Sorry about that.
It's okay. It happened long ago and I've gotten over it.
Same old Zimuzo. Always been tough.
You must have a good reason for asking me to leave. I will not question you. Seriously, I don't understand why I'm sending you back. But I think it is for good. I want to believe so too. You must leave tomorrow morning as soon as my husband leaves. He must not know about it. He may not like that. He has come to trust me so much. Enough about him. He is my husband. Let me talk to him about it. Please. It's okay. I should leave this night if you ask me. Don't get me wrong, but I'm asking you to leave does not mean that I hate you. I still love you. I don't want to risk your life. You will leave tomorrow morning. Yes. I must not know about it. I think I should leave now that is asleep. Darkness conceals a lot of things. I have to leave. If you think you can handle the darkness, then fine. Good night. She's not even bothered that I'm sending her away. You're always tough. I remember that night I asked you to leave. You were not bothered.
Because you said it was for good. And I hate to fight about anything. Because I know that the gods are guiding our steps.
I admire that.
I'm so happy to see you. How's the king? Please, don't take it personal. I know that he was a crown prince when I left. I figured he must be king now.
Your parents are gone. Do you live here all by yourself?
You never got married? I'm happy with my life. That's all that matters now.
You don't have children? I mean, people that would take care of you at your old age.
Oh, my old age will be fine. The gods are watching over me, you know.
Well, I think I have my answer now. Well, I have to leave now. I was around to see a new friend and decided to come and see your parents, but they are gone.
It's okay.
I'm glad that I met you.
I'm so happy to see you too.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do take care of yourself.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Something is already happening at the palace of Umueko. That's the only reason she suddenly has a friend in Miata.
They all call me a drunk. Yet, they think I know anything of such importance. Igwe, how can a drunk be part of this kind of gathering?
Akalosi again. You always drink and get drunk whenever you want. Eh? You were not like this before.
Of course.
Bondibai.
Of course. Igwe, by that you are implying that I got the woman pregnant by the time I was not in my drunken state.
What is he talking about?
Take him away. He knows nothing.
No, father. Don't. He doesn't know anything. Take him away.
Father, he knows something.
My prince, this is a total waste of time. He doesn't know anything.
Akalusia, whether you're drunk or not, you and I know the truth. You told me something, but only you know why you said that.
Only if the gods will let this not pass. Does any of you now understand how important Akalusia feels?
Honestly, no human being is empty. I believe he knows something.
It's a
He must
waste of
figure
time.
out the best way to get it out of him.
Greetings, my king. My elders, greetings.
We greet you,
You can never get anything out of him because there's nothing to be gotten.
He made a serious statement to the press, and you know about it.
Martin, what will you get out of a drunk? Nothing. May I please speak with you?
Mother, you can't say that. I couldn't have made all this.
I'm not saying that. But maybe what I'm saying is that what Akalusia told you has no meaning in it. I went to Miata today.
Huh? You went to Miata?
To see Zinozo, to be precise.
But we agreed you should go with my elders.
I decided to go alone first.
Did you see her then?
Mother, did you see him? Did you see the son?
I had my doubts, though I kept it to myself. Ogwefi of Osaba might be working with our enemies.
How do you mean?
Zinuzo never got married.
Huh?
Ever since she left here, she has been living alone in her parents' hut.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, she has no son. She never got married.
But I have my doubt. Ogwefi of Osaba of Umuiku never lies.
Maybe he did not set out deliberately to lie to you. He just did not have the right information. Look, the gods can bear me witness. All I am telling you now were confirmed when I visited Zinuzo.
Mother.
I saw it in your eyes. Omalicha, I know you still love me.
But does it matter? It doesn't matter when we cannot even be together.
Who said we cannot be together? I am not an outcast. I'm not a thief.
I don't even know what to say.
You said it to Upengwele. Why can't you say it to me?
OKOLI, sir, please. You have to leave. I have to leave now. My parents will soon be home.
After you broke up with me, I was broken, thinking you never loved me.
Our relationship lasted long because I loved you so much. I love you, OKOLI, sir. I do. But we must not be together.
Omalija, I may never get to know who my father is. But does that mean we cannot be together? Love is not supposed to be conditional.
OKOLI, sir, please, you really have to go now. Okay? I can't be with you now. Please.
And why from me anyway?
Because you're from Umuiku.
I'm married here. I no longer live at Umuiku.
But you're still the only one that can give me information.
Information about no other than a drunk?
It would have been better if you asked of a noble person, a noble man.
Akalosia, a drunk? Are you sure we're talking about the same person here?
Obviously. You knew him when he was a noble man. For years now, Akalosia has been a notorious drunk. Everyone in Umuiku abhors him for that.
Why won't you accept my proposal and marry me, Zinuzo?
If you must continue this way, then I will stop coming here.
Why? Can't we take this our friendship further?
Listen, I appreciate your friendship. As it is, you are the only friend that I have here. But I will not marry you.
Why? Am I not man enough for you?
Akalusia, no. If you go on like this, I will stop coming here.
Maybe you have your eyes on that man. Okay, Our friendship is too precious for me to destroy. I won't bother you again.
Don't worry. You will find a good wife to marry. And meanwhile, I have good news.
Good news. You know, I'm going for good news. So what? The last news you brought was that she increased your pay and the husband have started to trust you. How did it transform asking you to go back to Umiata?
I did not bother to question her.
Are you sure you did not offend her?
None that I know about.
No, this is wickedness. This is very unfair. Even if she has any good reason, I do not think it is good enough for her to send you out this night.
She asked that I wait till morning. I chose to leave this land so that I can stop here and tell you. If you allow me, I will sleep over and continue in the morning.
Of course, you can trust me with anything. Let's go.
Akalosia was a noble man.
Well, not anymore. Is there something you have to tell me that has nothing to do with a drunk?
Honestly, I can't still believe that Akalosia is a drunk. Tell me, what happened to him? Can you feel me?
That he's that kind of drunkard that staggers to and fro.
But he is so addicted to alcohol that he drinks heavily every day. Well, some said he was frustrated into the habit.
Akalosia frustrated? No. Akalosia was a happy man.
Is there anything you have to do with him anyway?
Oh, no. He was an old friend.
Well,
nothing else.
Your old friend is now a drunk. Can you now start making my hair now?
You amazed me, Onyeze. Why would you doubt the words of the gods?
Not at all. Never. And you know that that is the last thing that I will do.
Then what is the meaning of what you just said?
My wife was the one that brought in that maiden in the first place. And you know that before now. She returned to her and did not see a son with her. Not to talk of having a son for me.
Onyeze, you did not just say that, did you?
I am telling you what happened. And you are here asking questions. Or do you think it's a mistake?
Abomination. It is an abomination for me to say a word of my own and claim it comes from the gods. I will never survive a night after that. You know that?
Yes, I know. But what interpretation shall we give this one now?
Onyeze, your wife actually was the one that sent that woman away.
Yes.
When it was not obvious that she has your seed in her. Do you think that at this time she will do anything that will prove the woman has a son for you? No. Onyeze, I want you to know that our gods are patient. They are not fools. You have all the time to make things right. But you must not make the gods look like fools. No one has ever done that and survived it. You are doing a decent thing to the people. Do not paralyze yourself with your unguided assumptions. Think about it.
Omalicha, the meeting has ended. Why are you still standing here with the leader?
Ujunwa, she did not arrive here with you. She's still here because I want to have a private discussion with her.
Private meeting? Different from the ones we just ended. Why are we creating confusion among ourselves?
If anyone is confused, that person chose to be. So please excuse us.
Let's go, Liza.
Let us go. I heard about it, and I'm so proud of you.
It depends on what you heard.
You deserve better, trust me. You see that now you have put him out of your way, responsible men will notice you.
I should have known. I should have known you're talking about OKOLI.
Believe me, he's not good for you.
But I still do not understand your interest in all this. Seriously, I don't.
We are the leaders. And so it bothers me so much when these maidens talk about you with no respect, and I cannot help. But now, they will have no reason to talk.
Do I look like I care? I don't care. Whether you do good or bad, people must always talk about you. I do not care, Adadiebube, I don't.
Omalicha, do not bother yourself, okay? Very soon, better men will notice you.
Ada, please, can we change this topic? If we can change this topic, then it will be better for both of us. That man you see there is a very decent man. He is not a bad man. He should not be spoken wrongly about. Please.
Where could he be now? Is anybody home? Is anyone at home? I don't want to believe that this is Akalosia.
You cannot be serious.
The only reason I let you come all the way is because I am serious.
Now I understand why his wife sent you away the way she did.
No. She did not know.
What?
I did not know about it then either. I just discovered.
How do you claim that he is responsible?
I am sure. He's the only man that I have ever given myself to. I am telling you the truth. It is the same reason I turned down your marriage proposal and insisted that we remain good friends.
So what do you expect me to do? Yeah?
I don't know what to do. I am scared. Nobody knows about this yet. Not even my mother.
Eventually they will know. You can't cover your pregnancy with your hand. So
they will know that I am pregnant. But they must not know whom the father is. I must protect my child.
If that be the case, why are you telling me?
I cannot keep this to myself either. I need someone to trust. Someone I can share my secret with. And the only person that fits in is you. Akalosia, I know you too well. You cannot betray a friend.
I am really humbled. I will do whatsoever you want me to do. And I will do what I can to protect you and your child.
Thank you.
Is this Zumuzo that I'm seeing, or are my eyes deceiving me?
Akalosia, what happened to you? This is not how I hope to see you after all these years.
Akalosia is old and bare. Old wine, they say, tastes best. Yes.
Was that why you stopped coming to see us?
Demosan, I have had a lot recently on my mind. How are you and your boy?
My boy is now a man.
Ah! A man old enough to come and rule his people. I have never ceased to think about him whenever I see Lord Ozamaka's son misbehaving.
Akalosia, now that you have turned yourself this way, I don't know if you take your word seriously.
Demosan, I can go home. When I can, I will come and see you. Yes.
You've not visited in years. I thought you got married. And that was why you decided to stay away.
By the gods, no wife can make Akalosia to forget such a good woman like you. You have always been in my heart. And I hope to make a time so that I can come, so that we can have a reasonable conversation. As you can see, I had it good today. I want to go in now and have my sleep. Yes.
What could have led him into this kind of life? What happened to you? I never expected it to turn out that way.
You have the very sober Akalosia now. I advise you utilize the opportunity. What do you want?
You stopped coming to see me. Is there any problem? Or did I do anything to offend you?
A lot has happened to my life these last years. But can we skip them?
Mother, greet you.
Welcome, my dear.
Greetings, Mama OKOLI.
You're welcome.
I do not need any seer to tell me that he's the one.
I have only one child. I never remarried.
You still hold on to that single act of Nampu as marriage rights.
But that's what it is. He married me by Ajani. And I hold that marriage so sacred in my heart.
You are still the same old Zimuza, strong and courageous. A woman of the gods who respects the customs of the land. Time has not changed anything. I tell you. Nothing.
Why would you say that? I don't even like that man in any way.
Do you think that this is a joke?
I should be a fool if I joke with this kind of a thing.
Oh.
See, if that man is my father, I would have felt some kind of connection with him.
What sort of connection? Eh? You would have been magnetized to him or what?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yes.
OKOLI said, you confess that you have never seen your mother with any man since you became a man. And suddenly this man shows up from nowhere. And did you see the way he looked at you?
The same way he looked at you. Don't twist my own.
OKOLI said, why are you annoying me? Why?
Listen, I appreciate your concern, but I would rather trust my mother. If that man is my father and he finally shows up, my mother would have introduced him to me. See, I wouldn't want to discuss your assumption with my mother, and I want this discussion to end here.
That man looks like your father.
You're stupid.
Yes, your thoughts are right.
Meaning that they already know about my son.
I was called at the palace. According to the prince, in one of my drunken days, I made a statement about his elder brother. They wanted to find out what I know.
That means that her visit wasn't in vain. What did you tell them?
Nothing that they want to know. But you see, you don't have to hide the boy away forever. Especially now that the girls are involved.
I know, but I want my son's safety.
Zemozo, you don't have to keep the boy away from his people. It's time. I mean, it's time to take him to his people and bring him home. Yes.
I know I can trust you. But how would they believe you? Especially now that everyone sees you as a useless drunk.
The same useless drunk that they once invited for information. Don't worry. Now that I've seen you and a grown-up man, I think I'm convinced that it's time. I should be leaving now.
Do me a favor. Please stop drinking.
Akalusia ngele, ekulu ngele ngwa, akalusia. Jolly drunker in this community, akalusia.
What really happened to you? How did he start drinking? What? Has it anything to do with me?
I have lived with you for a long time, so I should know when you are unsettled.
OKOLI, there's nothing to worry about. I'm fine.
No man has ever visited you. none has ever associated with you. Now, this one shows up. And mother, you look worried.
Do I?
Yes, it's all over you.
Son, I'm not worried. Don't give me that look. It's not what you think. That man is not your father.
Who is he?
An old friend.
Why am I finding it difficult to believe you now?
OKOLI, I have never lied to you. You have a living father. And one day, you will meet your father. I promise you. Trust me.
Whoever is it that has been following me about, whether you are a man or a spirit, may the gods deal with you. Yes. Are you the one who followed me?
I'm pretty confirmed. You're asking me if I'm going to where?
So you followed him as far as Umiku?
Oh, is that the only bit you got? Eh? Did you hear when I told you that he started acting like a drunk? And when I asked people, they said he is a notorious drunk.
Or rather, you're the drunk.
I'm the drunk. You don't believe me?
I don't even know what to believe anymore. Okay? My mother told me that the man is an old friend, which I find very hard to believe. Now you're telling me that the same man is a notorious drunk in Umiku. Of what use is this information to me?
This could be more complicated than we think.
Now I see how complicated it is. He's not only my father, he's equally a drunk. Now I should go and hang myself because I finally have a father who is a drunk.
If your mother is not ready to say things to you, I am here to help. Even if that man is not your father, I believe he knows who your father is.
The last time we had problems is because of this same issue. And you promised never to discuss it with me again.
Now he's trying to get his way with his sentiments. No problem. I give up. Then who is his father? Yeah?
What must I do if he refuses to come with me?
Do not provoke me with such useless question. Go and get me the food. Call it work.
Yes, my king.
I heard you sent for Akalusia.
As much as I hate to make him feel important, he seems to be the only one that can lead us to Zemozo.
What? Yes. You don't believe me? You don't trust me? So, you do not believe that I saw Zemozo and there's no son?
Lolo, this issue is beyond me. I cannot make a decision of my own.
I can see you're bent on humiliating me. That's the meaning of this. Fine. Send for him. Let's see what information he will give you this time.
In the kingdom.
I am not seeking to humiliate my wife. I am seeking for the truth. How will she ever understand this?
In the kingdom. In the kingdom.
If mother is right, then she should just relax. That's my opinion.
Agnes, I hope you will not end up in her position someday.
And what's that supposed to mean?
What woman will be relaxed in a situation like this? Not only is her son about to be denied his birthright, another woman is trying to take her baby from her. What woman?
See, we can only relax and hope for the best.
Exactly my point. The only one that may have the slightest information about Zemozo is that drunk. And he can't even coordinate himself.
Your father has sent for the drunk again.
Your father is bent on humiliating me. What am I supposed to do? Just sit down and do nothing?
Akalusia has not been here for the past 2 days.
Are you sure you know what you are saying? It's not possible. Everyone knows that this bar is Akalusia's second home. So don't tell me that.
I am even as surprised as you are. I have not seen him here for 2 days now.
2 days?
Yes.
Please, do you know where I can find him? His attention is urgently needed in the palace now.
You can go to his house and check if he's there. But for here, he's not here.
Have you lost your senses? Yeah? You checked him at the bar and did not see him. Why didn't you check his hut?
I did, my king. But he was not there either. His neighbors say he has not been seen around now for 2 days.
That must be about Akalusia.
That's him coming. Well, I am here. Akalusia ngene.
Ikulungelengwa. Greetings, my king. Eze ube amalunampu of Umiku.
Akalusia ngene.
That's me. This is me, my king.
Onyeze, it was hard.
But it is only in a sober state that I will be able to recall all that I know.
Akalusia.
Ikulungelengwa.
Out with it. We will not wait forever.
Your Highness, I went on a 3-day exile just to be away from alcohol. That will tell you how important this confession is to me.
It's beginning to sound like a broken record. I believe the rest of them are still active. I think so.
I will choose to ignore the remarks of these men who have never made any positive contribution towards the progress and development of our land. I would rather talk to you directly.
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Onyeze, you have a son by Zemozo. His name is OKOLI, sir. Yes. She confided in me when she discovered the pregnancy.
What? She confided in you?
Yes.
I'm not the father of the child. What are you talking about?
Before you begin to vomit that nonsense that is in your mind,
what?
Knowing that Akalusia has his own life challenges, but taking advantage
of vulnerable women is not one of them. Your Highness.
Yes.
The gods are still alive to confirm my words. Your first blood is in Nyata. He is staying with his mother's people.
But are you sure?
I am sure, Your Highness. Very much, Your Highness.
Thank you, Akalusiangere. Thank you for coming and for telling us all you know.
Your Highness, my mission here is ended.
I will go back to my life of bliss. Hey, Akalusia.
My brother, if you look at this thing critically, you will find out that nobody will ever succumb to that.
If you ask me, that does not make one a man. A man is that man that is able to handle his relationship with a woman. Yes, but that is true. They are colleagues. Who asked for your opinion in this? Huh? No one seeks for your opinion in this.
Ask him.
Let me tell you, for the fact that you hang out with men does not make you a man, OKOLI, sir. Ibu Awoka OKOLI, sir.
Don't forget this man. He's banking on the proverb that says when a child washes his hands well, he's going to dine with elders. Eh?
Well, in this case, his hand is very dirty.
Yes, so also for Lulukuo, I've already made my point. Whatever you want to say, I've already made my point.
OKOLI, sir. You are a butterfly that think yourself a bird. He's not obviously carried away.
OKOLI, sir.
Why you?
Better keep your opinion to
Why
yourself. All you can do is listen.
Wild men that are men talk about the issue.
See, who are these men coming with Ukwengwele? Brothers. You see?
Yes. Yes. I'm actually happy that all of you are now receiving the blessing. Yes. Hey! Yes. Actually, I met them on the way, and they asked of OKOLI, son of Zimuzo, the daughter of Ogolo Mwabane of Umunze. Hey.
They are supposed to pay for the information. Opportunities like this is what I need to make some money. Why did I give them the information for free? Akalusiangene, you have made a mistake. Akalusiangene, you have made a big mistake. Of course, they are supposed to pay for the information. By now, I would have made my money.
I am OKOLI, sir. Son of Zimuzo, daughter of Ogolo Mwabane of Umunze, Nimiata. Please, how may I be of help to you?
What?
Long live
What is going on?
King of Umuku Kingdom.
What? What is your problem, OKOLI? What is wrong with you? Huh? You have lived all your life waiting for this day. Huh?
Can't you see how messed up this whole thing is?
Huh? You being a prince? A mess? How?
I am confused. I am confused. Is any of this real?
Are your eyes clear now?
Eh? Look at those men discussing with your mother. The same men that worshipped you at the square before all. Eh?
You know that the snake is so easily talk. The only way we can convince our king that our mission is successful is by going to go with your son.
No, my son will not go with you. You have seen him already. And you know in your heart that he is a flesh and blood of your king. Take these words to him.
Zinuza, we will take those words to our king. Those words will not be enough for our king.
Maybe this will make it more difficult for your king to receive his first blood.
What is that?
For my son to go back to his people is if I will come with him.
That will not be a problem. What do you think? No, it won't be a problem like you said. Zinuza, a sower that discovers a lost sin is happier. Exactly. So the king will be happier seeing you, Zinuza. Yes, I assure you.
Then the king will have to come and marry me properly as a second wife. Take me home. That's the only condition my son will come back to me.
Zinuza, you promised to assist us. I don't believe you. And since our arrival here, you have been outstanding. Why this outrageous
condition?
Why this condition?
Why are you looking at me as if I've made an abominable request? The king wedded me already on Ajam when he lifted the sand from the ground and called me his wife. Ever since then, I have known no other man because I hold that marriage as a sacred one. He must come and marry me properly. My son will turn back to Umuiko, but the king must come and marry me properly.
Mother, do not feign ignorance of what happened today. Can we talk about it?
What exactly do you want to hear?
Mother, you know exactly what I want to hear. Can we talk about it? And please, do not try to fool me. I've had enough.
You mean you've not heard yet? The news is everywhere in the kingdom now. Hey!
Listen, Ujunwa, if this news of yours is as important as you said, then why are you delaying it? Out with it already! Eh? How do I even begin? I think it's better to stand.
Ujunwa,
I never knew you were this dramatic. Ujunwa, I have something very important doing inside. When you're done with your drama, someone should please call me.
No, come back. I won't say it now. I'm ready to say it. At the square today, some titled men from Umuiku worship OKOLI.
How?
According to them, OKOLI is the first son of their king. And they've been out searching for him for a very long time.
What makes now the right time? Because they came looking for me.
son, do not take this the wrong way, please.
Were you ever going to tell me who my father is? If these men did not come, would you have?
I was only protecting you. Laura has a son, And I knew that she would not welcome you.
And what about now? Had she stopped having a son?
Now they need you. And that changes everything. I am in a better position to protect you. Now I know that the hands of the gods are in this. Let us allow them do their wish. Please. Oh.
I am on my way to my hut. You can check back later and I shall be there. Huh?
Is it true?
Huh?
Tell me, is it true?
That I am on my way to my hut? Of course. You can follow me and confirm that.
My problem with you is that you talk too much. Answer my question. Is it true?
That I'm going to my hut.
Is it true that some men with magnificent elephant stuff worshipped OKOLI Saturday at the square and called him their future king?
Old news. Old news. Listen, the latest news now is that OKOLI's father is the king of Omuku. And as the first son, we will take after him as king.
Tell me, what is he now? Is he still in our Miyata?
Oh. Do not just bother yourself of going to see him because he will be too busy with the titled men of Umuku right now. You understand? And as the coming king, I am sure he will not have time for a meeting. Listen, OKOLI will soon become a king. In case you need the ancient blessings that come with a touch of elephant tusk, you will proceed to the village square. They left the tusk there, and people have been touching and receiving their blessings. OKOLI will soon become a king. Are you assuring me your message is true? I swear on the king's staff, we saw your soul and we equally saw the mother, Zenuzo. Oh, you saw him? Yes. How does he look like? Does he look like me? Does he have my nose? Does he walk the way I walk? Oh yes. We saw a young man full of life. We saw a young man that was very good, very decisive in his words and his actions. I see. As a matter of fact, we saw our king at that time. Exactly. Good. So, does that answer your question? Where is he then? Because I made it specifically clear to you that you must return with him. My king. It was not as easy as we thought. The mother is strong-willed and determined. She gave a condition. I see. I saw it coming. Now, what is her condition?
She said, you will have to marry her traditionally and make her your second wife.
But she will not be separated from her son.
She asked us to give this to you. That is true. You don't know how fulfilled I am each time we come together.
I feel the same way, my love. But I am scared.
Scared in my arms? Fear should be far from you.
I am not talking about physical fear of danger, but emotional.
Tell me about it.
With the way we are going, I might end up carrying your child, even before your wife.
See, I'm not joking. We are engaged practically every other day. And I fear you will plant your seed in me.
I already told you that I love you as a wife. If I put you in a family life, then you become my second wife. Yes. Hold on. Come. Keep this away. Huh? Keep it for yourself. Huh? If I put you in a family way and deny, use it against me. Only a woman I am intimate with must have this. My wife already has her own. Keep it for yourself, okay?
Zimuza, how could I have forgotten that fateful day? We must do everything possible to bring back my son and his mother, including making her your wife. She had been my wife before this time. Yes.
I must complete what is left immediately. Yes.
Now I understand what she meant. She alleged that you have already married her, but wedded her before the sacredness of her job. And for that reason, she has refused to get married to another man. And now, my king, you are confirming the allegations.
They were not mere allegations. Chiogu. I gave her my royal bead and lifted up sand from the ground and made specific statements. She is mine. And me bringing her into this place will make me see my son.
We will do it.
How could you betray me this way? I mean, what did I do wrong?
We are going to do this for the sake of the kingdom.
Don't call me that name because you don't know what it means.
You will always remain my queen, and that of me. And nothing can change.
Oh, yet you were too quick to plant your seeds inside her without even thinking about me. Listen, for the sake of the kingdom, I will allow you to bring in the son. But you will not humiliate me any further by bringing in that shameless woman, my own employee, and make her a wife. I will not take it.
She was your employee. I agree. But she's a good woman. And you know that.
Good woman? I will tell you what a good woman is. A good woman is a woman that does not betray someone that has been good to her. A good woman is a woman that does not steal another person's husband nor takes her right. A good woman is a woman that does not allow another person's husband sleep with her. And anybody that does these things that I've listed for you is not a virtuous woman. She is a loose woman. And you know what? I am not going to let her spit me in the face a second time.
Father, we are not here to dictate to you. Neither are we here to blame you for what is happening. Rather, we are here to appeal to you as the children you claimed you love so much. Yes, we have had a very peaceful family. The kingdom has been peaceful too. We all were happy. We loved our lives better then. Father, I'm sure you did too.
Go ahead and state your message. I am listening.
Father, we came to plead with you to please reconsider your decision. There is nothing you cannot do for this family. You said that before, and knowing fully well you're a man of integrity, you will not go against your own words.
Father, our mother was nice to you. She was a good wife. Why did you want to humiliate her that way?
Shut up! You see, you get all this wrong. You've gotten them wrong, that is why. Who told you I am attempting to humiliate my own wife, the queen? Eh?
What do you call getting married to a woman who went behind her to sleep with her husband? What do you call that, Father?
That woman should not be blamed at all. You see, you don't even understand anything about this issue. That's my problem. All you go ahead and do is just blame your father here and there. In fact, I am no longer comfortable with this meeting.
Please, Father, please calm down. We are not here to upset you. I am in the same position with your mother. Because, like her, my position is to be taken away from you. The same position I've been nurtured all my life. But I am ready to let it go.
Son. It is true you will not wear the crown. This does not remove anything from who you are in this kingdom. You are still a prince. No. The one his father loves so much.
I can let go, Father. I can be consoled with what you just said. But is that not enough sacrifice? Does our beloved mother, your loving wife, have to go through this heartbreak of sharing you with another woman? The same woman that the son has stripped me of my birthright? Does she, Father? What do you make of this?
He's determined to humiliate us. I don't know what to call this. I don't know.
My prince, look, do not allow what is happening now to make you lose your head. Remember, you're still the first son that he cannot do without. Keep pressing him. Pressing harder. He will succumb. Okay?
Go back to your bodies. I think I know what to do.
You have been a very strong king. I don't see how this will tear you apart. My children are broken. My wife, the queen, I have not set my eyes on her since yesterday. Because she will not let me.
It is so strange for Lolo to act the way she's acting. After all, the king is entitled to get married to as many wives as he wishes.
It's our tradition. Yes, a king is entitled to get married to as many wives as he wishes.
Yes.
But in this case, I have never given my wife the impression that I needed another woman.
She got used to being the only woman in my life.
The circumstance here is different. We understand that anybody in her shoe will feel the way she's feeling. But we also did not have a lot of options because we must provide a heir to the throne. And marrying a second wife seems to be the only option.
So, you know, that is exactly why I called both of you to advise me.
I need your wise counsel. Because in as much as I need to satisfy the entire kingdom, I also need my family to be in one piece. Exactly, you have a point. Yes, you have a point.
If you ask me, I will say that Zimuzo of Umiata, who had already gotten a son, a heir apparent to the throne, is equally a member of the family.
Exactly.
Automatically.
Not true. Of course. I made a promise to Zimuzo when I handed the deed to her.
Amazing. Your promise at the time you were sexually aroused doesn't count. What counts is bringing the heir apparent.
She will not let him come unless I marry her.
Then marry her. Besides, it is only right that the queen mother is legally married to the king.
Also, my problem is my wife, the queen. She will not take me. Tell me, what do I do?
Onyeze, your wisdom is very important at this time. But whatever you want to do, the crown prince must be presented to the people at the time the gods already set.
I humble myself before the king, your majesty. May you reign forever. You sent for me.
Yes. I understand you're the one that knows where he lives now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
We're going there right now.
Okay, Your Majesty.
It is not the end of life, mother. Look at the bright side.
I'm a scorned woman. My heart can't bear the pain.
Mother, you will forever be the queen of our land. They can take every other thing away from you, but they can never take that title away from you.
I never knew I gave birth to a weakling as a son.
Mother! What have I done for you to call me weak?
No child of mine is supposed to give up without putting up a fight.
Mother, I am not weak. I don't know the kind of fight you want me to put up.
Fight! Fight for your right. Fight for what you believe in. Fight for what you were born and trained for. Don't let it slip through your fingers.
I thought we have already accepted our fate. I thought this was about father taking up a second wife.
This is about everything. Everything. Everything we believe in, everything we stand for. Do you know what would happen if that woman comes into this palace with her son? I suppose you never thought about it. When they step in here, they're going to take over everything. We will be relegated to the background. We will be forgotten in the past. Nobody will think about us anymore. We will just be like the early morning dew that disappears at the sight of the sunlight. Now think about that. That is a reason to fight. You must and you will fight.
Who lives here? There is a visitor, you cannot keep waiting. Come out.
My king,
the
most powerful man of my land, I bow in greetings. You will reign forever.
The man of my land that had never offended the gods. The time must always come when we will forget all that had happened and look unto the future. And that time is now. Now! Akalusia, I need your help.
Anything for you, my king.
Oh, rise, please.
Anything for you.
Please rise. Sit down. Sit down.
Akalusia ngele, ekulu ngele ngo, Akalusia.
Honestly, this is uncalled for.
What are you saying? Who will not come? Eh? I believe that everyone in India must have come. So I said to myself that I must not be left out.
Oh, you know what? I am happy that all of you are now eating your meats. Yes, because not too long ago, you all despised Akonisa.
This is not fair. That is in the past. I was trying to stop the past.
Which past? Which past? Which past? During the days of ancestors, we are talking of as early as last Emperor. It was even hard for you to say common greetings to Akonisa. Rubbish.
You're equally guilty of that crime. So that makes both of us.
I'm not going to respond to that nonsense. Because even your shadow knows that you're making false allegations against Lutongbele.
The only man of Umuada that shot tomorrow. Look at him. Soon to be king of a kingdom as big as Umuyoku.
For that, I agree with you. I'm so happy for him. You know, I wonder who the lucky woman is that will sit by his side.
Aha! You see? Now I understand why you came. Oh, it's your own. Eh? To be his way?
Akoli, sir! Did I say something wrong?
Which man will not be scared of method of having you as his wife? Yeah? Or don't you know you are one of, in fact, the leader of the impossible maidens of Miata?
What?
Yeah?
What kind of qualification is that? Why are you calling me impossible? Why is it impossible?
You just showed why. From nowhere, the same maiden that led her gang to castigate my friend is now positioning herself to be considered as the next queen of Umuyoku. You idiot. That's Yamapo. Go on.
It's not good to neglect people.
Yamapo.
No matter their class, no matter their level, when you onye mechi, chimo, when onye maro onye gabwezechi, chai.
You are here.
Did anyone tell you you're not seeing me?
Something great might be happening at your hut right now. I suppose you should not be here.
Remained very hot and left this morning. What could it be that is happening there? I don't know.
Wait until you hear it. Akalusia, Zen and Soba was seen heading into your compound.
Oh, that. I didn't tell you. Akalusia might have stopped taking alcohol. Oh, that one is not new.
He arrived with a very important person. Eze Ubamarunanku, the revered king of Umuyoku.
What?
Now, it's a news, isn't it?
I can't believe it. What could the king of Umuyoku be doing at my house?
He has probably come to take his son home. Who knows? And he came with guards.
With guards?
Guards.
With guards. Hey! I'm coming. That cannot be true. That cannot be true. Akoli said, come out already. Listen to that, Akoli said. The almighty king of Umuyoku is standing outside here. Can you keep him waiting and give him the impression that we don't respect authorities? Yeah? Akoli said. Akoli said. Come out, Akoli said. Akoli said. Come out here now.
Yeah, my king is your son.
Ooh, wonderful. My son. Come. No! Nobody will take this away from me. No. Nobody will take it away from me.
No one is going to take me away from you. Zimbuzo, is this you?
He is king now. You should consider greeting him appropriately.
May you live long and easy.
Where's my child?
Hey! You should have seen him, my sister. A very powerful man. Are you talking about Akaolisa or his father? Huh? His father, of course. I was very lucky to behold him in all his glory. Hey! Who would have believed that Akaolisa, when we all neglected, came from such a powerful lineage? I still don't understand what you were doing with Akaolisa when his father came around. What sort of a comment is that? What is your mind telling you? She is not the only one thinking something. She is in the center of it all. But you made the move alone. So now, answer her. Tell us why you made the move in the first place. Yes. What is wrong with you? As a matter of fact, what is wrong with both of you? Why does this sound like a surprise? Huh? Did you not equally go to make up with him? Did you not? No. Practically everyone in this kingdom did. So why are you trying to read another meaning into my own visit? That should be because you went all by yourself. We all went in groups. Going to see Akolisa all by yourself shows you have an ulterior motive. Ijia, Junwa, you are a joke. As a matter of fact, both of you are jokers. Next time, nobody talks to me in this manner. I will not take it. In case you have forgotten, I am still I don't know why I had to stop so low as to tell you about my movement. Do we all have the same thoughts? Yes! I think she's trying to work her way into Akolisa's heart. Yes! And I can see you have the same agenda too. Can you stand in front of any deity to deny what I just said? Nkolika, you're just impossible, Nkolika! I listened to all your arguments, and from my deductions, my mind is telling me something. Oh, keep whatever useless thing your mind is telling you. Listen, I have to make you all understand. I am still your leader. Leader. And as of this moment, I declare this meeting closed. Hey, you hold it there. Adadje, you cannot declare this meeting closed. Why? The matter that brothers and Okolisa has just been opened. And we maidens, we are ready to get to the root of it. Yes! What is your name? You know my name. Yes! Alright, you stand here until you are engulfed with darkness. Rubbish. Can you just imagine? Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try it.
Please, stop crying. It breaks my heart to see your tears. Huh?
If it does, you would make such request.
It is for the peace of my entire family. I need to keep them together.
If so, why would you make such requests that you know will break my heart?
It is for the peace and harmony of my immediate family. I needed to keep them together. You understand?
But this was not the promise you made me. That very day that you gave me that royal bead. Do you still remember that fateful day? You promised never to abandon me. You promised to make me your wife should I become pregnant. You took the sand from the ground and swore on Ajahn.
Listen, I meant everything about that promise. But, Jimus, you're a very kind woman. You loved my wife when you served her. I meant every bit of that promise. But, Jimuso, You are a very kind woman. You loved my wife when you served her. Now she is broken with the thought of losing the throne to your son. Marrying you now will crush her. That's why I came all the way to plead with you. Please, please. Give us a call this without your conditions.
I knew no other man all these years. Because in my heart, I'm married to a noble man that promised to love me like his wife. Now the joke is on me now. OKOLI, sir.